Okay, to get started on the homemade granola, I'm going to start adding some oatmeal to my bowl. I'm going to do 4 cups of oatmeal. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I've got these coconut chips. They're unsweetened. I'm going to add 2 cups of those. And I've got some almonds. I'm going to add 2 cups of almonds. Stir this up a little bit. This is going to be so good. Now I want to add a tablespoon of cinnamon. I've got my oven preheated to 225. I just want to stir the cinnamon up. This is going to be a coconut almond granola. Okay, that's the dry. Okay, now I've got 1/3 cup of coconut oil right here, and I've got some local honey, and I've sprayed my measuring cup. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of local honey. And I'm going to add 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla. Stir this up. You want to make a well in the middle of your dry ingredients. Add your wet ingredients. And you can taste the almond or something to see if it has enough seasoning in it. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Okay, I've got a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm going to do 2 pans. You just want to kind of break it up. Okay, I've got my oven set for 225 preheated. I'm going to put the timer on for 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, I'm going to bring them out. I'm going to toss them around and then stick them back in. There's tray one. And here's tray number two. Okay, this is after 30 minutes. You just want to take a spatula or something, just kind of stir it around. Okay, I'm going to stick it back in there for 30 more minutes. This has been an hour. And we'll put it back in there for 30 more minutes and then it should be done. Taste it. Mmm. After you let your granola cool really good, it'll be really crunchy. And then I've got a mason jar. I'm going to give some of these out. I'm going to give my mom some. You just want to fill you a mason jar up. And you can use this for your fruit, granola, you know, put granola over top of it, yogurt, whatever you like. Granola. Thank you all for stopping by. Hope you have a great day.